Alrighty, pretty easy. Pretty easy. There you go. Just pulled the pipe out of the. I pulled the pipe out of the pipe. So I don't think I can use that clamp. It's probably fucking too rusty. But I can get this back together. Oh, there you go. Look at that. So get that back in place. Tack it up, weld it, smack it up, flip it, throw it down. Oh no! Oh, there you go. That's what happened. She broke the clamp. So we'll see what we got. Probably put that sleeve back in place and just weld it.